Hi guys, this is Visitors Asia once again. We will continue our family creation for the table. Uh, this is in connection with with my previous video tutorial. Uh, Now, as you can see, this is the table that we create in my previous video. What I will do for this tutorial is to add another types of table leg. So the table leg will be in different shape so that we can have two options, whatever the requirements for the project needs. Okay, so I created already one type of table leg here. It's in rectangular shape, and I put some slope. Okay, so we will insert this one again in our table family. Okay, that's it. Oh, sorry, I got two. Now, if I will click this new table leg, you can see on the properties palette, you can still see the parameters that belongs to this leg. This is the same process that we did in this circular table leg last video tutorial. So what I will do now is I will transfer the parameter of this table leg to this family of table. Okay, so I will click this parameter here and say this will be, we can use type parameter, that's fine. It will be also bottom leg wheel. Click OK. Okay. The next one is leg angle. Just continue to transfer the parameter. So the next one is leg height we already created in our previous video, so we'll just click this leg height. And the last one is the leg up width. Okay, that's it. So what I will do now is to position this additional table leg. So I will just copy this one first. And then align command, make sure to lock it. So on the other side, but this one we need to rotate. And copy. And then align. Okay. So let's try to flex this additional or this new table legs. So let's try to adjust first the angle, because this is the one that I am concerned. So angle is 10. So if we change that to 5 degrees, okay, fine. 15. Guys, if you create the additional or this type of table leg with slope, make sure that the bottom of this leg still it's always on the surface of your host, say the floor. What I mean is, you see that this is on the it was sit horizontally on the surface of the floor. Whatever angle you need to put. Let me check it once again. So check this one, 5 degrees. You see that one still on the horizontal position. 15. Okay, go back to 3D view. Now let's apply visibility on this table leg. So what I will do is I need to add another parameter. This time we need to use yes or no, and then put that one as a visibility, and say this will be rectangular legs. See that one, there's a check box here, so that every time you use rectangular legs, just put check, and then the circular will be hide. So let's add another parameters for circular leg. Yes or no, visibility. Okay, this will become circular leg. Okay, so what I will do now is I need to select all of these rectangular legs, and then here on the properties palette under graphics, click visible, click this small tab here, and select rectangular legs. Same thing with the circular. Okay, now you cannot see the action here on the family editor unless you insert this one into your project. Okay, so let's try to put this one on a project. I'll just save this one first. So create new project. Then need to insert this. Okay. So if I will click this, I will choose circular. So the rectangular will be hidden. Okay. So let's try to change this into a rectangular legs. Let's flex the angle. It will be 5 degrees. Then same with the height. Okay, so if I will change that one into circular leg again. Okay, that's it. Now our table is already done in the changes to the project. This type of family is what you call the nested family. Nested family is a composed of more than two types of object, or two types of families being combined. Okay, so let's try to edit this family. We try to change the tabletop, guys. We need to put some glass portion of the tabletop. Okay, so what I will do now is I will add again reference plane for my glass top. And then I will add parameters. And then I will call this one as glass offset. Like this. Select glass offset. Okay. So now all you have to do is to put the glass thickness. So I will add again another reference plane on my elevation. So it's already here actually. And then I put already the dimension here. So I will change this. I will put a parameter to this one. And say this is my glass thickness. Okay. So all I have to do is I will edit this one first. And then I will cut this wooden tabletop, which starts from this one up to here. And then make sure to lock it again. Okay. So this hole is where we put our glass tabletop. Okay, so I will go back to my front elevation. I will use extrusion again. Then we select the reference plane. And then choose the reference level on top. And then this time I will use peak to make it sure that it will attach on this reference plane. Lock it. Just select the reference plane. And then we need to trim this one using fillet command. Now I will go back again to my front elevation and then click finish. You can see this is our glass model. So again, it's either you drag it or you change this extrusion end here to glass thickness. And then we will change that material into glass. Okay, so I will go to my 3D view. I have that table with glass panel on top. It's a combination of wood and glass. Okay, so let's try to flex. So I will adjust first my glass offset to 100. And then the length meters. And then the depth, say 1 6. Okay, so I will reload this again to my project. Just overwrite it 1. And then select that and choose legs that is required by the project. The requirement should be rectangular. Okay, that's it, guys. So I hope that this will help you to create a parametric nested table. Okay, so in my in the next video tutorial, we need to put chairs, and then of course we will also put a parametric chairs. Maybe we will use some array command so that every time we adjust the length of table, the chairs will also automatically adjust and we can put number of chairs required. Okay,